Hey guys, I just wanted to make this quick video for you regards using the Shokz OpenSwim with Spotify, or like how you can transfer the music to your product. I made a full guide, 5 minutes. I just want to make this video for you, is that you can get the Spotify to the OpenSwim just like using an album. What you have to always do is this. You have to go to Spotify downloader. This is called like spotifydown.com. And what you have to do is that when you're gonna connect it, so you are going to connect this thing here to your PC. You're gonna have folder there. I made a full guide. You're gonna have also, you can find it on my channel. Then what you have to do is just paste the link in here, the Spotify down, then download it, and then add the MP3 to the folder. I made a full guide. You're gonna find it. I just want to make this for you if you're looking for how to get a Spotify to your Shokz OpenSwim, and this is how you're gonna do it. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.